Hello, my name is Mike Mosk, and I'm going to be your host today for Antiques and Collectibles, the Social Hour. I've been collecting now for well over 50 years. I have a pretty diverse collection of collectibles, as you can see by the items behind me. I've been involved in antique restoration. I've been to hundreds of flea markets, eBay, wherever I can find the unique items that I'm looking for. So what are we going to talk about today? It's basically whatever you want to talk about. This is a social hour. We're here to learn, have a good time, exchange ideas with other people. If you're simply looking for how do I find the value of something, I can give you the best route to do that. If you're looking to eliminate part of a collection, or if you've inherited something that you really don't care that much about, but you need to get rid of it, or you're simply trying to figure out how to better enhance your collection. What we want to do is talk about these things, have a good time. If you have items, you can bring them with. You can show me. If I don't know, possibly some of the other people on the social hour will know about it. And we can all have a good time talking about the things that we love and cherish. So let's do it. Let's have a good time. Let's start talking some antiques. Thanks.